Hiya, and thanks for coming aboard our Sailing Ocean Life. If you're new here, we're Cozzy and Mitcho. We often reflect on why sailing has become such an integral part of our lives. We sort of stumbled on Ocean Lady simply by starting a conversation with a boat broker. We hadn't had any sailing experience, and we had no idea what was ahead of us. So what is it about sailing that has become our preferred way of life? Is it because we love greeting each day at a new anchorage, experiencing and seeing things that you just can't see on land? Or is it how sailing makes us feel, exhilarated, alive and free? The list goes on, and those things are some of our driving forces. But we've decided it's the people. The people we've met and connected with have become our family. We quickly learned the marine family is vast and wide and seems to be a bottomless bucket of advice, support, guidance and friendship. So it's our marine family that led us back to the Montebello Islands. Our fam, and the fact that the Monties is a freaking stunning archipelago of islands. It's only a small detour to our destination and an opportunity to do some minor repairs on Ocean Lady. Recording already? Yay, I'm recording. We are at the Montebello Islands, would you believe? The water is just as crystal clear as it was when we came here last. And we've been welcomed by a couple of dolphins, but they're a bit shy up here. It's pretty amazing. Down one engine though. We had a bit of engine problems, so it just won't turn on. Montebello!
Our jib held out well. So good.
It's a pretty nice place. We've got not a great deal of sunshine today, but we've got beautiful little birds that keep visiting us. And there's all our friends. So Turtle Bay, here's Mitcho.
Hello.
What are we doing? We're going to kayak
Back to Turtle Bay. This is Turtle Bay, that's actually Turtle Bay over there. And then, I don't know,
have a bit of
have a bit of a wander.
So this is the highest bit of the island, is it, babe? Yeah. Woohoo!
Pick a rock, any rock.
This one, and the top like yours because yours should be. Put it there.
It's in arrow to use the paddle.
Yeah, very cute though. There's all that pink, whatever that is. I love how you're trying to do a sail using the paddle. It's gorgeous, hey Mitcho?
Pretty nice.
Pretty nice. Mitcho's surrounded by a bait ball. We're just going to go for a little swim right in this little shallow swimming area. There's our boat. And it's very shallow, but nice. It's cold. It's cold. But nice. What are you checking?
See if it's real sandy.
Right, we're currently at Turtle Bay in Montebello's, and we've been here for a couple of nights, had an amazing time. Had an awesome night last night with Nick and Julie on Blue Yonder, and Ted and Tina, and Bruce and Jenny. Such a great time with wonderful people, so thank you so much. We are relocating today. It's very windy. It's like 20 knots at the moment. I don't even know if it's a good idea. We'll get there really fast. We're getting through that narrow gap.
maybe.
Well, there's no current. We're picking it tight now. So we'll just punch on through with both motors, and should only take us an hour.
Yeah.
But we should go though.
Yeah. Okay. Let's go.
Okay.
Woo. Saying goodbye, or hopefully for not long, to Ted and Tina from On the Double. Hopefully they're out the back. We can say hello.
Thanks for a great night.
And to you! Thank you! That was awesome! Champagne tomorrow. See you at Champagne! Yeah, okay. We'll swap it. We're crave for a bottle. A flavoured bottle. Yeah. Yeah, we won't pinch a spot. We won't pinch a spot. Thanks for last night. That was awesome. So fun. I felt sorry for you this morning. Have a nap.
I believe in your soul. I know we need each other. I know our love is strong. We're still riding down this road. Ooh, my love, I can feel you in my bones. This is real. I hear your voice too close. Oh, this feeling grows while I'm filling up this void. Far away, far beyond the limits. Every day, finding our soul. Anyway, it feels like coming home. Coming home, coming home. Coming home,
We've arrived at Champagne Bay. It's pretty specky.
far away, far beyond the limits. Every day, it feels like coming home.
Oh gosh, you can see Ocean Lady's really grubby. And it actually slows you down when you're in the water. So we're going to give her a good scrub. This is my side. You've got yours.
The barnacles off for you.
Oh, thanks, son. Bit better. Getting there. Keel's still pretty gross.
What's coming in through there? Oh, it's
Nick and Julia are going to their spot. We couldn't take their spot. You know, in a couple of hours we'll be walking over to where they're going now. Hi, babe.
Hello. How you going?
Bit of an unconventional place to do some motor repairs.
Yep. Got to do it somewhere. I've done most of it. Just having problems like always. Yeah. Just changed the oil in them. Well, actually I got to put the oil in this one. I've got to change the oil filter. I just got to take the side cover off this. I've changed gearbox oils. I pulled the gearbox off. Checked the water pump, which looked fine. What else have I done? Busted the shift shaft in the other one, so it's at the moment the motor's stuck in forward gear until I pull that out and have a look at it. But I think it's snapped it. So yet another mess up by Big Mitcho. Well, not really mess it up, it just wouldn't move.
These
and then
things happen, right?
it moved. Yeah, anyway.
We've got another like little makeshift workabout here.
Yeah, well, I've ordered a part. So,
Oh, that's crazy. That was the issue when we were just sailing into Montebello's.
Yeah.
Hmm.
But anyway, I have to just change the oil filter, put the new oil in, and we can move at least if necessary. Because at the moment we have no engines at all, so if we start drifting on the anchor or something like that, then we're buggered.
Moving the boat, are you?
Just moving the boat.
Just relocating. Oh no, run aground. Nah. Iron Man moving boats.
I modified the original propeller, which didn't go very well at all, and now since I've modified it, it goes really good.
Yeah, so before you modified it, it was sluggish.
We're just going to cavitate all the time, suck air in around the propeller and just...
Cavitate, a new word. Woo!
No leaning or nothing.
Get it on the plane, and lean on in front. I've been doing some editing. It's really hard to do that when it's a beautiful day. Has to be done. Turtle. Oh, we've got the boys out looking for crabs. There's the lady. A big events caper.
Good morning, we're on the move again. We just decided we'd move over to Main Bay on Tremuli Island in the Montebello Islands. We're going out to stop over there and visit some other people that are going on the same rally with us. And we're in a town of 47. Looks like a town of 47 I can see up ahead of me.
Yeah.
So we're just going to stop over and have a cup of tea, say good day, hang over there for an hour or so, and maybe go for a swim or something, and then we'll head off to
Louisville.
I think they're going to the other side of it.
Yeah, that'll be cool. We're going to the west side, is it? So we haven't been to that side before, but that's really cool. We've got a really nice day sail.
And the wind's blowing from the other direction. As last time we were here, we stayed on the other side of Bluebell, but it wouldn't be very nice in today. Anyway.
Is that possible?
Yeah.
It's so beautiful there all the time. So I guess.
The wind blows straight in there.
Yeah. So we got a 60 degree today. It's about what, 13 knots, but it got up to about 16 earlier as we were just coming out of that.
Yeah, I think we're kind of sailing the end of the lee of the island here. So
oh, of course. Right.
It'll be a bit blustery.
About 29 degrees, so I'm sorry to all my friends and family in Perth that are freezing
Stuck in
and raining.
Oh.
Not so here. Welcome to join us. If you haven't yet, we'd love it if you'd subscribe and just like the episode, that'd be amazing. It just helps us become more visible to like-minded viewers. So thanks so much for watching.
We've just moved to the beautiful Bluebell Islands at the Montebello Islands, and it's there's a couple of amazing people here. So we've got Blue Yonder on the double and Caprice, and yeah, we've got plans to do a little bit of a mud crab dinner tonight over at on the double, and it's really calm and peaceful and a beautiful afternoon. Welcome to Cozzy and Mitcho's cocktail hour, currently on Ocean Lady, sitting nestled away in the beautiful Bluebell Island. Everyone at Montebello is welcome. We've got a long list of cocktails to be serving tonight. We'll see you soon. So Scott and Phil are coming. Look at the Monties. We leave tomorrow. We're heading to Dampier, hopefully to get a little bit of provisions, and then on to further north. So we're having a last little look-see at the Montebello Islands in Fast Forward on our tender. Woo! Heaven.
Nice. Nice.
There's Teddles over there, he's fishing. And we've got Nick over there. And the sunset over there. Mitcho over
And
there.
Mio over here.
And Cozzy over here.
And no squid down there.
No squid. Dead calm. Sometimes the wind is just very windy, and unfortunately on those occasions we can't go anywhere. So here we are sitting at Dixon Island, and we've been here for 4 days. We're just waiting. 5 days? We're waiting for the winds to change and to reduce a little bit so they're not so crazy. So what do we do? What do we do while we're waiting?